Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm back, man, with another My Market update for Monday, man. Starting a new trading week. Got to get into it. The day was bullish. Got to hand it over to the Bulls, man. Nice green day to cash up. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. All right, look like the market is looking a little bullish. What I'm going to do, I'm going to ride these stocks up. Still going to buy at a daily low. Still got some monthly paying cash flow stocks still out there. If y'all watch my daily live trades every morning or afternoon, you will see that. You can go back through and watch. I give you all the the urgent buys like in the first like 5 to 10 minutes of the video. Depends on how long my watch list is. What stocks in buy range and stuff. But gonna give you a quick list now. Things still in buy range. Trying to think anything urgent you might need to know. Urgent news for the market. For y'all that like to trade in Nvidia, they said it can come down below the 140, between the 140 and the 126 range. So that's gonna be nice time for you to pick up a couple shares or to accumulate dollar cost average and lower your average cost. When that time come, I will notify you because I do plan on adding more to my position. I got it in my cash out portfolio. All right, man. What's in buy range, man? We're gonna go with KLIP, the Yield Max cover calls China Crane Share ETF, man. Got down to 11.05. That's about $12 and under. For the month of October or early November, I think for October, I think for early November, it paid a dividend of 61 cents a share. You got GOOY cover calls on Google. That got down to 14.38. That's definitely a buy. And anyway, man, these stocks that I'm giving you, like right now, overnight, you can go in on Robinhood for y'all that do trade that and want to get fractional shares. You can just go in now and just put in the ticker number, put in KLIP. Put it on dollars, and if you want to buy just $3 worth, to say to put the $3 the order in, and they will buy at opening bell 9:30 a.m. at market price, so it'll automatically fill it for you. So anyway, got KLIP, got GOOY, OXSQ got down to 264, but it was kind of bullish. Well, the whole market was basically bullish today. Anyway, man, that one there still in buy range. That's definitely a buy at $2.80 and under. PFLT, Pennant Float. They had earnings today. They say they end up meeting earnings, not beating it. Meeting is still good, but I seen the stock went down to $10.67. So PFLT, man, that's another one to get. Pays like 10 to 11 cents a share a month. USOI, Credit Suisse, covered calls on crude oil. That one's at 64, then it dipped below that. So buy some little fractional shares of that, $5, $10 worth. I definitely like it at $65 and under, man. At 67 and under, really. You can never add it at 70 and under. Gotta kind of trade the market you in now. My target price to nibble was 70, but now I done lowered it to 67 and under. Definitely about at 65 and under. Ticker HRZN, Horizon Technology. I've been giving y'all for the longest. I'm riding this stock up. I did put a buy order in at like 9.29 today. That was trading in like the 9.30s. Ticker EFC, Ellerton Financial, 13 cents a share a month. I think that was at like 12.60-ish today. I like it at 12.50 and under, but I nibbled it just to lower my average cost. SLVO, cover calls on silver. That one coming down. I really like it at 70 and under. I'm monitoring that. I'm nibbling at it. I brought like $3 to $5 worth today. I didn't want to go in. I win it. If it breaks that 70 mark, that's when I'm gonna start going in. 10 at least $5 at the minimum, $5 to $20 a day to lower my average cost. All right, AMDY, that's riding on up. I had a buy order at 11.65. That one look like it's about to break the $12 plane again. I'm gonna hold on to them. I got two positions of it. I might sell some in my Webull, swing trade it, but I keep everything in my Robinhood for it. That's like my long term for it. Because I know after the ex dividend date, all these mostly monthly paying stocks tend to pull back or dip back after the ex dividend date. So that's just normal form, especially with the yield max covered call ETFs, the USOYs, AMDYs, hell, even this one not a yield max, but KLIP, ULTY, like y'all see for last month, it was up to about $12 or $10.27. Then it dipped all the way back, pulled back to what, $9.62, and now just back above the $10 range now. So sometimes for one who like to trade, the swing trade, all those stocks you buy at the $10 and under, just those stocks for that period of time, when they get to that 10-20ish mark, you able to sell some, especially buying them at like $9.80 and stuff. I mean, you make $40, 40 cents a share. You done brought a couple hundred shares. You make that and keep the remaining shares for the dividend. That is my strategy of trading it. Ticker CHPT, charge point, got up above the 125 mark. I got some 300 shares I brought around by in like November 6th. I brought like 300 shares for like, I'm all in the same old day, same old trading period. I brought it like at $1.21. From 119 to 121, somewhere in there. I got a sell order in for them 300 shares at $1.32. So when it triggered, it's gonna sell it. But I do have like 1,700 shares now, so I'm gonna get that back. Charge point, it goes up, it goes down. Like I say, I came in a charge point buying it at like $15 a share way back. So people that have been trading like in 2022 and stuff, they will tell you that stock was almost a $20 stock. If you go to Yahoo Finance and look at go like 5 years out, you will see that stock was actually like the $17 stock. So a lot of people, including myself, went in as an investor and ended up a trader. But I made a lot of money with it, lowering my average cost, trade buying and selling it. So I kind of know the pattern of it. No, I didn't plan for it to break the $1.20 range, which just went down about like 109, 108. But when it was at them price, I brought 10 shares every day, just buying it anyway, buying, accumulating. Today I sold at $1.21. I sold a couple hundred shares that I did buy at the 108, 109 mark. So made a couple change on that. So that's just how I do it when it's bullish and it's pumping up. That's when I get out of a lot of the shares that I brought. Because more likely it's going to pull on back, going to have a sell off and come on back down anyway. But yeah, that's it, man. Keep everything short. Y'all get ready for the market, see what's going to happen, see what's going to be a bullish week, going to be a short week anyway. Like I said, Thursday, the market closed, and Friday going to be a half a day, probably going to close like at 1 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So signing off, go get your money.